Today, I'll show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. The steps are a little different depending on your device. On Windows, Chrome can display its menus and settings in a different browser language directly inside Chrome. But on Mac and Linux, Google says Chrome normally follows your computer's default system language instead. On Android, Chrome also has its own language setting. If you're using Chrome on a Windows computer, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then open Settings, and on the left side, choose Languages. Under Preferred Languages, find English. If English is not listed, click Add Languages and add it first. Then click the three dots next to English and choose Display Google Chrome in this language. Google says this option is available on Windows computers, and after changing it, you'll need to restart Chrome. If you're on a Mac or Linux computer, the process is different. Google says Chrome automatically displays in the default system language on Mac and Linux, so to get Chrome back to English, you usually need to change your computer's main language to English in System Settings, then reopen Chrome. Now let's look at Android phones. Open Chrome, tap the three dots, then go to Settings, then Languages. Google says under Chrome's language, you can tap the current language and choose English from the list. After the language downloads, tap Restart in the toolbar. That will switch Chrome back to English on your phone. There's also another thing people often confuse with Chrome language. Your Google account and Google Search may have separate language settings. Google says you can change your Google account language from your Google account language page, and after changing it, closing and reopening the browser can help apply the update. So, in simple terms, on Windows, change the language inside Chrome. On Android, change it in Chrome's Languages menu, and on Mac or Linux, change the device's system language to English if Chrome keeps showing the wrong language. And that's how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.